Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So you are in for the New Year vlog. Let's say we are going to celebrate together the whole New Year vibe. So me and babe is actually heading out. So when you're watching this vlog, I want to wish you guys a happy New Year. Yeah. So we are going to Clarendon, but we're actually going to the Mapen side. We are going to play games, have a vibe, enjoy time with family and friends. So yeah, I did a nice installation from the last vlog. Goodness, it's me install the wig also. So I did a nice installation just to rain in the new year, and I'm wearing pink and green. I'll probably give you guys the OOTD when I'm there, but it's the green that matches with this bag again. So yeah, so if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy New Year, people. Happy New Year. Big up on ourselves. We made it to 2024. If you're watching this vlog, just consider it a big blessing. Life, enough people wanted to be here but they aren't here, but because we are here, we have to big up God, big him up all the time, because he gave us the opportunity to be here. So we're out on the ferry, just exited the toll, and we'll go turn off to the Portmore Road to go Mapen to take the other toll. So yeah guys, we're in Mapen. We're over the mall. What the mall name again? What the mall name again, Grizzle? What am I anyway? I don't even remember. The mall here where they have the Devano. So I'm past the Sam Newton. I'm gonna see if the ice cream line is full. If it's full, we're leaving. If it's not, we're gonna get the ice cream. Yeah, but that's us up. Let me make babe do a quick OOTD for me. Babe, do an OOTD for me, please. My top from Shein. I've got this shirt in Errands and my bridges and the bagger from a store in Jamaica. So that's the OOTD. Look here, I can't bitch up the face that in the car. Now look promisable, no? See? Yes, after 9? What time they close? But when they move fast, I move to our line start out the door. Alright, let me look at the line out the door. Line is a bit long. We'll look at the line the outside. See the outside, we're not going to do that. So the line is actually outside. So we're turning back because the line the outside door, and nobody's doing that. You go try and line outside door, wait till they put it inside of the building. Now COVID time, something them I'm gonna like that. It's very annoying. But I would have loved to get ice cream. But here we're actually heading to our final location now. So yeah. Not time to falling asleep. Watch out. Drink and fall asleep. Guys, I am so cold. I am so cold. I'm not even indulging in the bingo game. I'm so cold and I'm hungry. Hello?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Up there freeze, you know, people lock up now. No matter how you freeze in New York, isn't it? They hold them with scarf round neck, some big old wool sitting there watching ball at that Times Square. Yeah, but them, whosoever don't call her, them not them bed right now. Them not Times Square.
Be a sin who them are
Set up or we're not done. Don't answer. You ready, sweet girl? Set up. My phone, you're not some more time for me, you know. You see? She ready. So,
Guys, today is the second, and nothing really going yesterday. No, nothing really going yesterday. Yesterday, I stayed home and just did a little 1 and 2 house things. Straighten up back the house, like straighten up the house. Clean his shoes and me and babe cook. That's all happened yesterday. Nothing really going on yesterday. But now we're actually on our way to Kingston and I'm having a spoon dropping at the porridge. Hold on. I'm having some plantain peanut cornmeal and cornmeal porridge this morning. It's about 8:30 now. We're on Mount Russell Road. So yeah, that's what's up. Guys, so I'm in Kingston, actually over Harborview Plaza now. I'm gonna buy a patty. Get patty and head back over to the airport. So yeah, so Daddy's the one leaving, not me this time. It's been so long. Fidoria, so long. I haven't been to pull the door, Daddy. I haven't been to Kingston Airport in a while. I'm gonna buy a patty though. So now in taste to get patty. Daddy's getting a box of patty. I'm just getting a patty to eat. I'm hungry. Guys, Daddy's leaving for a short time though. The bag of one little old.
Jerry.
Let me get one. You think the bag just in case. Guys, I am still in Kingston now. Back I'm my second time being here in Rapid, but I actually followed someone. But yeah, that's what's up. I mean, if there's anything extra going on, I'll let you guys know. Yeah, but that's also lighting in here is so nice. Yeah. So if you're looking doors, like closet doors, this is a door with mirror. This is nice. It's like a door with a mirror already installed. This is nice. This is how much? 69,000. I think that's plus tax. But they have different doors of whatever kind. I don't know, active of everything. This door is not bad. But I'm not thinking this is this a panel door? A core door. It's not bad. They have it in a different color. I like this door. But this is more like an office door of some sort. 36,900. Not bad. I am not building a house, but just in case you are building a house, they have tiles on sale. This was $390. Sale item, no, $197 plus tax. So you know what's $390 plus tax. They have this style, like a gray marble vibe. Gray. They have this one, burgundy, and they have the green. So this one is $390, no, $297, and this is $197. This one is no, $197. So it's $279. This was $279 too. This is not a sale item, this one. But as I said, just in case you're building, I'm not building, but I'm here to give you guys the content. So this porcelain tile, I don't know what's the difference between porcelain and ceramic. Talk to me in the comment section. What's the difference between porcelain and ceramic? These are porcelain too. Ready? Oh, she's ready. But yeah, what me help on different tiles, different choices. This is porcelain too. So anyways, I'm leaving because somebody may follow. I don't know, rentals whenever I'm not building anything right now. So guys, we're now in Offer 3, but we're actually going back. No, yeah, we were there this morning. We're going to Ugly Park Road. I'm gonna go to Birds to get our parts on my car. Yeah, that's the update. Offer 3 kind of full. Today is the second day right after New Year's, so you know a lot of people who were on the road, they would be out today conducting business and all of that. So yeah, it's actually after 1 too. It's lunchtime, so people who are going to the lunch and lunch break, you know a lot of people are going on the road. So yep, guys, I am by Boulevard Shopping Center, or the anything KFC. I went to use the bank, but he wants a pill, so I am going to go inside of what the place name? Shoppers Fair, I believe so. So yeah, so we're entering through here. I actually have a return to that playlist, you know. Make sure I can receive and the stuff to do the return. How much for these slides, Ella? This look like quality. Like, I wonder how much for them shoe. I don't know. Should have. I'm gonna come up. I'll check the store for one shoe. But I went to Shoppers Fair. I don't get the hang of it of recording in public because people still stare at you. People still stare at you like wondering what are you doing. So really don't get the hang of it. No card machine. You know I'm a good time now? You know I'm doing time here? I think I need to go inside the pharmacy. Yeah. Guys, KFC. You like the ketchup? If I get the ketchup, go for it back. You just start. I'm gonna be at KFC already. Can you believe it? Not true. Me and 3 pizza. I don't mind this. 3 pizza chicken. No.
Number one, no 3 piece of meat.
No, number one, a big 2 piece of meat.
No.
If you want. Yeah, walk for dinner.
Which one? So they not have no. It's all chicken box. Alright. KFC. So they not have spicy chicken, barbecue or nothing. Tell me why I'm leaving out of sunshine and just going back to where it is always so dark, cold and gloomy. Why? I've been longing to see sun for a while. I can't see the sun. I go in the sun and they think the sun will be shining everywhere. Why? No, I'm not like this. I'm not like this at all. These clouds are so dark. Need some sun. Guys, need sun because I have laundry to do. I don't know what's supposed to start back. So, yeah. But guys, this is where I'm going to end out the vlog. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. And Happy New Year, people. Happy New Year. Big up on yourself until the next vlog. Alright?